Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to this Chupacabra tutorial channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to do the Sintanika Shrine, which is a combat training shrine, which is going to teach you how to do sneak attacks. It's located in the northeastern section of the map near the Wrist Peninsula and the East Akala Plains depth hole that takes you down underground, and it's pretty easy. All you have to do is stealth kill one particular mob. So once you get inside of here, there's going to be an enclosed arena at the end of the walkway with some free weapons for you, and your objective is to sneak in there and sneak up behind the patrolling construct and perform a sneak attack 2 times to prove that you know how to be a sneaky, deadly ninja. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the weapons that are given for free. The first thing I would do is grab the weapons that are available for free, and I started sneaking around the left side. I don't think it really matters what side you choose. You just have to be careful not to over sprint, because this particular construct is a little extra sensitive to what you are doing to try to get you to be extra patient, to sort of teach you how the mechanic is going to work. The other thing that you can do, if you have the equipment on you, you can also attach the Yiga or the Chica different outfits that'll give you some extra stealth. You can also do the Phantom Ganon outfit, because that'll reduce your profile of sound that you make as well. Then just sneak up behind him and give him a whap, and then the first half will be done, and then the second half, you're going to have to patiently stealth around and wait for it to pass, and then you can sneak up behind it and whack it. I just went to the right side this time and just waited until he did his counterclockwise patrol path. Then I just kind of snuck up behind him and then whacked him again with my blade. You can do this however you like, as long as you feel comfortable sneaking up behind him. I felt like I might as well let the enemy come to me, because, you know, less effort is just smarter when it comes to sneaking around and killing enemies. And that's pretty much it. Once you smack him, he'll just drop his various parts, and then you can grab whatever you want. And then inside the chest before you exit is a sneaking elixir, and then you can grab your reward of a light blessing and then head out and on with the rest of your day. I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.